Hello Lux family, it's your boy Jay. I hope you're all doing fine because let me tell you something right now. I've been so good lately saving my money and then boom, like always LV decided they want to release a new collection, making me want to spend my coin, and always makes me want to debate in my head whether I want to be spending my coin on snacks or these new pieces coming out from LV. And let me tell you something, I was quite naughty because I emailed my essay a few pictures, by a few I mean 4, and told her, honey please, I need that pocket organizer, that jacket, the bag, and also that messenger bag. Let's pray she comes through. On top, this video didn't do me any justice at all because my card clearly got hijacked by my evil twin who loves to spend that coin. And let me tell you something, they went crazy and brought this Multi Pochette Accessories that I'm gonna unbox for my Lux family today. Am I late to the trend, you say? Probably. Do I care? 100%. No. But am I gonna do an unboxing for my Lux family today? Hell yeah. So stay tuned. Like always, remember to subscribe to my channel, like and give a big comment down below because it means so much to me and I just love reading your posts, whether it'll be through something that you don't like or something that you do like. I always enjoy it. As you can see, LV decided they wanted to ship me this item in this huge ass parcel. I'm super excited to unbox this for my Lux family, so I feel like we should just get straight into the unboxing, and like always I'll let you know all the details once I unbox it at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Like always, this Louis Vuitton box comes in a bright orange colour and it is so beautiful. It always makes me smile if you watch my unboxings. They decided they want to put the receipt outside and they've attached a little card to it. So let's see what this says. I've never usually received one of these cards. So let's see what it says. Oh, it's blank, a bit like my life. So let's throw that away because clearly we don't need no blank stuff in our life, and it didn't have no money in there. This is the returns and how much it cost me, and yes, it did cost me quite a lot. So here we have it, the beautiful orange box again, and let's do the unboxing for the Lux family. Comes in a beautiful ribbon as well. I actually really like this blue ribbon. I actually keep quite a lot of it. Anyway, not like you lot care. So here we have it. Let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited, literally. I've never been so excited. Oh my god, it's so lovely. Here it is. Let's get rid of this box. And here we have it, the Multi Pochette Accessories. Look how beautiful that is. Now, I've seen this so many times on Instagram, on YouTube, but I don't know, just having it in your face is just beautiful. It's just something else. Like, the Instagram photos don't do it justice, that's for sure. I'm just going to give you a quick review of this. It comes with the coin purse just attached to it, and I got mine in the car key, which is really nice. Then you've got the smaller bag there, and then the bigger pochette at the back. Wow, it's so lovely and so nice. Now it comes with this chain. I've always wondered if it's detachable, and thank God it is because I'm taking mine off. I really feel like this does make it a bit more on the feminine side. That's definitely going to come off for me. It's just beautiful. I just don't know what to say. It's so nice. This cost me around £1,500. Yes, it did have the price increase. I believe it was £1,350 afterwards. So yes, it did have quite a big price increase, and I still think it's still really nice to wear. Yes, the trend may have worn out, but personally for me, I don't usually like to look at those Instagram stories and Instagram like posts. Like always, I'm gonna give the Lux family an up close look of the item itself so you can really get a feel for what the item looks like. Just wanted to let the Lux family know how big the actual bag is itself. Now, the length is 9.4 inches, the height is 5.3 inches, and then the width is 1.6 inches. Now it's not too big, it's not too small. I feel like this is the perfect size for the Multi Pochette accessories. They also given the dimensions of the round coin purse as well, and I thought I might as well just share it with the Lux family itself. So the length is 3.5 inches, the height is 3.5 inches as well, and then the width is 0.8 inches. I mean, this little coin purse is beautiful, so cute and so small, and I've always really liked this and always really wanted this after they discontinued the other round coin purse. I got this in the khaki, obviously, because I'm not gonna wear the pink. It's a bit too bright, a bit too feminine for me. I feel like guys can really pull this one off, and it's just a lovely color in the khaki. And you can always change the strap up into a black one as well. You have the beautiful monogram pattern. It's so clean, so stylish, and so lovely. I really love this monogram coated canvas. You got the beautiful gold hardware. This only does come in the gold hardware, just to let you lot know. Then over here you've got some leather bits as well that also gonna give you a lovely patina later on down the line of using this bag. On the inside of this Multi Pochette accessories is actual textile lining. If you do spill something in it, yes, it's gonna end up actually staining the inside because it's not actual washable. What it is, but it's gonna leave a stain, that's for sure. You can see on the bottom it goes into the mini monogram effect, and it's so cute and it's just so lovely, don't you think? Now the actual strap drop on this Multi Pochette is actually 14.6 inches. Now I'm going to give you some mod shots at the end of this video so you can get a feel of what it looks like on me. And please take note, I am 6 foot, so if you are 6 foot, this will be perfect. I will be able to show you like how it drops and what it looks like on me. Now personally, I do like to wear my bags a bit high up, and I like to wear my bags on the back a bit instead of at the front or on the side. Just feels more comfortable for me. Now I want to show the Lux family because I feel like there's not a lot of videos on YouTube that actually show the dismantling of this actual chain itself, because believe me, I don't want this chain on there. It just doesn't feel like it's for me, and it can go on another item, I'm pretty sure it will. So let's see how to get this off. I believe you just unhook this bit here and that comes off, and then the other one here as well. There you go, and the chain fully comes off, which is actually really nice. So it looks to me a bit more masculine, a bit more, yeah, masculine, I would say. So I'm gonna try it on and give you some mod shots without the chain on, and I hope you really enjoy it. I hope the Lux family really enjoyed them mod shots of me wearing the Multi Pochette from Louis Vuitton. Now, if you're interested in any of the details, I'll put them down below and also link it to the Louis Vuitton website. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Remember to stay safe. Peace.